All right, so the day has finally come to get these coilovers knocked out for the rear. Putting the Ohlins in today. I've already done the passenger side, so that's knocked out. We're gonna start with the driver's side now too. Obviously, this isn't a step-by-step, right? It's just kind of an overview. Be smart. Don't crush yourself with your car. Do something stupid. I'm just gonna loosen these top bolts. All right, leaving them on. I'm not taking them all the way off. Socket's stuck. This is a super nice piece, by the way. If you don't have a set of these, you should get some. Again, leaving the nut on, it's not all the way removed, right? So that coilover can't fall out of the bottom of the car. And then let's move downstairs. Let's see if I can give us a shot here. Was she low? She's real low. So the car is jacked up on the diff. I got to get over to this bolt. There. So, jack the car up a little more. Keep. This should be 17. Again, as you're watching this, like, there's somebody that works in tech, and you're not the strongest dude in the world. My good friend John taught me a long time ago, having long wrenches, humongous advantage. Again, loosen the bolt, pull it out. We're actually going to get rid of this big washer. It doesn't fit with the new setup. And now I should be able to finish taking off the top two bolts. Going slow, not just zapping stuff. There it goes. Okay, both nuts are off now. Should be able to pull this coilover off and then out, down, back, above the toe arm. Hopefully, let's sneak it past. Maybe not. Don't make me have to pull this wheel off. This exhaust hanger's hit me. Come on. see if I can't jack the car up a little more and cheat. Should really help. Think about that static. A little extra. All right, and it's out. Okay. Now what? All right. So, what a 20-year-old coilovers look like compared to brand new ones? Quite a bit. You know, they got similar mounting. Obviously, ride height differences, right? This is street guy just picking up something. This is race car guy setting things up the way he likes it. So we'll see what we like. He did make a nice note for me saying, go kill mode once everything's on the ground, which, yeah, that makes sense. I do need to get something to cut that off with. Actually, I could probably just zap it with the bolt. Yeah, let's do that. It's so different how thick this is compared to the old JIC. It's really surprising. This one's still in good shape, just old. All right, let's get to it. If this isn't really obvious, like one side sticks out more with the plastic, right? So this is going to go to the wheel side of the car, right? So out. So the L will be facing out. And need something to cut that with. Lovely day here. Humidity is at like 90%. It's freaking awful. But we got what we got. Really should have grabbed something else. It's the same crummy tool from yesterday. And again, I said a minute ago, like, why the different washer, right? It's the same thickness, so I looked at that. But on the back side here, it won't clear this other piece of the mount, so gotta have it. All right, back under, see if we can't wrangle this thing back in. Maybe we get lucky. There we go. That went a lot better than it coming out. Trying to get it above that toe arm. That's close. At least it's resting now. Pop upstairs and throw the two nuts on. Yep, should work. Reaching above the tire, grab the coilover. Okay, that one. Good, good. got 2. Sometimes working with your wrong hand. Hang it. All right. Donezo. Bolt. New washer. Again. Right. Gotta get this guy. Line up on that guy. So I'm gonna have to lower the car down a little and slowly slide that on. Try that. Money. Another good shot. Okay. We're gonna get this guy. This is back on that 17. Again, not going to kill mode here. I'm just trying to put a couple turns on it. We will go kill mode in a minute. All right. The plastic was towards the inside. All that looks good. Wheels not completely on the ground, right? So we're not at ride height. So we want to compress, get the suspension like it would be at ride height. So we're going to go ahead and slowly ease the jack down. When I say slowly, I mean rapidly. All right. Ride height. Now we got to go tighten everything. So let's pop up top. Okay. Those are good. Get back down here. Tighten all this up. So to be clear, we're going to tighten this bolt, and then we're also going to tighten this through bolt through. And then we are done with the back. On to the front. Stay tuned.